Are you ready to take control of your cryptocurrency? In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to withdraw Blum point free from Telegram with ease. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Before you can withdraw your Blum coin, make sure your account is verified. That usually involves confirming your phone number or providing additional information. If you have not done this yet, now the time. Once verified, use the Telegram bot commands to check your Blum coin balance. You can typically do this by typing balance or my balance. This step ensures you know exactly how much you have available for withdrawal. Next, find the withdrawal option is the bot. Look for commands like withdraw or a menu option labeled withdraw funds. This is where the magic begins. You'll need to provide two key pieces of information. Amount to withdraw. Specify how much Blum coin you want to take out. Wallet address. Make sure to enter a valid wallet address that supports Blum coin. Double check this to avoid any errors. After entering the details, the bot will likely ask for confirmation. Review all information carefully before proceeding. Once confirmed, the bot will process your transaction. Finally, keep an eye on your wallet. You should receive a confirmation message once the withdrawal is successful. Make sure to check your wallet balance to confirm that the Blum coin has arrived. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team associated with your Telegram bot for assistance. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, withdrawing your Blum coin from Telegram is a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and cryptocurrency guides. Thanks for watching and happy trading.